To add lower thirds in Premiere Pro, go to Window and check Essential Graphics option. Now in your right hand menu here you will find Essential Graphics. Here select Browse. Now click on this search box and type here lower and search for lower. And in Premiere Pro template library, here you will find a bunch of different lower thirds, as you can see. So you can just go ahead and easily add any of the lower thread, just to drag and drop it in your timeline. And here, as you can see, I've already added a lower thread in my video. Now you can select the lower third clip and go to motion, and here you can adjust your lower third size just like this. You can also change position. And now if you want to import a lower third in Premiere Pro from your local disk, let's see how to do it. Under Essential Graphics, go to Browse once more, and here click on Import. And now go ahead and browse the folder, which folder contains your lower thirds template, and just select the lower third and just click on Open, and that's how you'll be able to import lower thirds in Premiere Pro.